Hi, this is Rich from New School Piano. We're going to do a bit-by-bit version of Your Song from Elton John. You know the piece that goes. Okay, we're going to do it in a few parts. Here we go. Left hand is just, we're going to simplify this version. 3 notes, no chords. It's going to be E flat, A flat, B flat, back to A flat, and then it repeats. Okay? The right hand, I'm going to do it one by one. We're going to start with this. The right hand is going to do, that's the first bit, which is G, B flat, G, E flat. And it's like, it goes in like 2 bits, like this. That's the rhythm. The left hand starts first, it hits down, and watch. Watch again. One more time. Then it goes to, together we're going to play these 2 A flats out here. Again. So you're going to go, now together, da, 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 da. That one is, which is A flat, E flat, C, A flat, E flat. Together with this right at the same time they start. Put the 2 of them together. One more time. Here's the next one. That one is the B flat in the left hand, starting on the C here, and here's the right hand. C, D, B flat, F, D, B flat. Very slowly. Very slowly. Okay, we got one more left to go, and it goes back down to this A flat. That last one is on the A flat with the left hand. Here's the right hand. So it's A flat, E flat, C, C, A flat, E. Watch this. Slowly. Okay, from the beginning. Here we go. Starting in this position, this note starts first. Here we go. Do the whole thing in time. Here we go. There it goes. It's a little bit funny, right? All right, one more time. It probably does it down here is what I suspect. As usual, go back, rewind as you need to, do each section one by one. Remember, we're simplifying this. We're not playing chords here. We're just using the notes, E flat, A flat, B flat. And there's first one, second, third one, fourth one. back, rewind, and have fun practicing.